Today we are hiking Rose River Trail. We're planning to do the full loop today, which is going to be about 4.5 miles, approximately 900 elevation gain. We are going clockwise, which means when you start the hike, you're going to immediately go left as soon as you see the Rose River sign. That is the fire road. You can do the hike continuing down the fire road, but I personally think it's a little bit easier to do all the elevation coming up on an easy fire road versus the rocky way down here. So just got started, about 0.2 miles into the trail. It's absolutely beautiful today and excited to take you along with us.
We just hit our first mile. We're on Rose River Trail, continuing to hike downwards. We just now heard the water for the first time, and if my memory is correct, shouldn't be long before I actually get to see that water. We are hiking along Rose River now. It is beautiful. The weather is perfect. Want to stop every 5 seconds and go touch the water. So far, the trail has been great. Again, I believe we are coming up on the actual Rose River Falls. We just came across a really nice lady that asked if we were doing the full loop, which we are. And we mentioned we were thinking about adding in Dark Hollow Falls, but she told us that Dark Hollow Falls was actually closed because of all the rain that we got over the last week. So as we get closer to Dark Hollow Falls, we'll reassess the situation and see what happens from there. We just went down to the first set of falls, and oh my gosh, was it beautiful. Never seen that much water in these waterfalls. So after a big rainstorm like we had, this is the perfect time to come do a waterfall here in Shenandoah National Park. We've gone about 2.2 miles. We finished pretty much all of the elevation down. We're about to start heading up here on the trail back towards the fire road. Maybe hit Dark Hollow Falls if it's open. But we are stopped here. We are getting some jerky, some water, and dipping our toes into the falls. Now we're following Rose River up, and this is why we really enjoy going clockwise, because as you go back up, you get to see all of these beautiful cascades. So we just hit 3 miles. We are closing in on the fire road to finish up the day. This last little bit hasn't been much to show, just a lot of rocks and uphill elevation. Starting to get further and further away from the river, but so far been a great day. We just got to the intersection of Dark Hollow Falls, and unfortunately the trail is closed, so we will not be adding Dark Hollow Falls to our loop today. So we're just gonna head up the rest of the fire road and back to the car. We're heading back up this fire road. We have about a mile.
Just about a mile.
And we'll be back to the car. Thanks for watching our video. We hope you liked it. Please like and subscribe, and stay tuned for our next adventure.